Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dynamic refresh rate on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so enabling the dynamic refresh rate DRR in Windows 11 basically helps your screen automatically switch between lower and high refresh rates like 60 Hz to 120 Hz to save battery while staying smooth. So there are some requirements. So before you start, make sure your display supports 120 Hz or higher. Your laptop monitor supports DRR. You're using updated graphics drivers, for example, Intel, AMD, NVIDIA, etc. And you're also on a laptop with DRR is mainly for laptops. Now to enable this, we need to go ahead and open up settings. Then from here, we need to click onto display. So click onto system. Then from here, click onto display. Now we want to go ahead and scroll down and click onto under related settings, advanced display. Now go ahead and choose a refresh rate. So where it says choose a refresh rate on my screen, I can do 60 Hz or 144. We've also got dynamic refresh rate. You can toggle that on and off as well. Now, if you don't see this option here, we might need to go and do a Windows update. So click on Windows Update, check for updates, download and install. Also go ahead and update your graphics drivers and check your display capability. Some monitors support 120 Hz, but not DRR. So DRR requires specific panel plus driver support for that to work.